Okay, today I have a recipe for you. Instant Pot Dump and Go yogurt. It's delicious. 3 ingredients, dump it in the pot, push the yogurt button, and you're good to go after it sets. So let's get started. Okay, really quick, I forgot to mention that if you're gonna make this recipe, your Instant Pot has to have the yogurt button. If you don't have the yogurt button, that's okay. I will leave 2 links in the description. One is Jack and Amy's recipe where you don't have to have the yogurt button, and the other is for a slow cooker yogurt recipe. I will also leave links to the jars and lids that I use to store my yogurt, as well as the Instant Pot that I have and all of my favorite accessories. Let's get to that recipe. You need only 3 ingredients for this recipe: a plain Greek yogurt, 2 cups of Natural Bliss vanilla creamer, and 6.5 cups ultra pasteurized milk. Most organic milk is ultra pasteurized. The link for the full recipe will be in the description. And you're going to start by measuring your milk. And pour the milk into your Instant Pot liner. And then you're going to measure your creamer and add the yogurt. And you're just going to whisk until it's fully incorporated. And you'll know that it's fully incorporated when you don't see any lumps. It should just be nice and smooth. And then you're going to pour the yogurt and cream mixture into the pot with the milk, and I'd say whisk for about a minute. I usually just whisk until I think it's well incorporated. And by the way, you could just dump all the ingredients in the pot and whisk it all together, but I just like to do it this way because I just feel like it gets better incorporated. And then you're going to place a glass lid or a dinner plate on top if you don't have a glass lid. But you might have one that fits, so you should just look and see if you have one. But you can also use a dinner plate. And then you hit the yogurt button, and you're going to change the time to 9 hours. Do 10 hours if you like a more tangy yogurt, or at least 8. So I just go right in the middle. By the way, that lid, I'll leave a link for that lid also in case you want to get one for yourself. So when the timer beeps, you'll hit cancel and you'll go ahead and put it in the fridge. And I usually do it overnight. It just sets up really well that way. It gets nice and thick. I like to put my yogurt in these little jam jars. They're perfect individual servings, nice and easy for kids to grab. It's about a half a cup, by the way, in that, and I think it's about 105 calories. And those lids, I love those. I picked those up at Walmart, but I'll leave a link to both of those in the description. So here, I just wanted to show how thick this yogurt is. I don't ever have any whey left, any of the liquid, in the pot, and I never have to strain it. It's just perfectly thick. Also, if you tried this recipe, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.